Hey guys, I want to do a quick video of my innovative JK air up, air down system. Right here I've got my ARB twin compressor. This is the air up, air down tool. This little toggle it down, lets the air out, kick it back up, kick your compressor on, fill them up. This is a great little tool, let you know what your PSI and your tires are at. This little connection here, your black tubing, your T connector, all of that comes with the innovative JK kit. As you can see, you got the tubing going into the Jeep here. You have one of these that routes to both sides of the Jeep. So basically you just plug in your connection here, plug in your air chucks, lets you air it up, lets you air it down. Do that on all 4 tires. Makes things really easy to air up and air down with. I'm running 35s. Took me about 2 minutes to go from 30 psi down to 15 psi, and then it took about 3 minutes to air them back up to 30 psi. Very cool little system, easy to install. Shouldn't take you more than probably 20 minutes to do. Worth the money. Definitely check it out if this is something you're looking for.